Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 here with another reaction. And today we're here with Alkaline, the Vendetta boss. We got the Vendetta fans, them, with a song named Lone Madness. They better go smooth, man. Style it, the cosmo. Yo, you're gonna jump in that one and see what the G has said. Lone Madness, I care nothing good. I care nothing, when I say good, I care nothing good in my sing, but a big, grimy sitting. Alkaline, I got chat to that one now. So I'm gonna jump in that song I hear the G has said. Let's go, my G. Big up, Alka. Want to see a video start like this with Alkaline, full blacked out in one churchyard burial.
Many cry in these bloody streets. Many souls lost in these bloody streets. Bloody streets. These bloody streets. Many come and go in this bloody street. Be a juvenile, wanna stop knocking.
Him trick me. I think that's something grimy for the man. I say, be a juvenile when I stop knocking. So basically, him a sing about wagwan. So I was wrong. I thought Alkaline got dust. Because remember, say, the last song where Alkaline title similar to this was Badness It Name. And that song that was grimy, like that, even up to this day, that's one of my favorite Alkaline songs. So I thought it was something like that. But Lone Madness, let's go again. Let's go.
Many cry in these bloody streets. Many souls lost in these bloody streets. Bloody streets. These bloody streets. Many come and go in this bloody street. Be a juvenile, wanna stop knocking. Police know they go on and can't stop it. Big matic them I walk with cars. Panic people see the road, they even bad on walk.
True that, you know, and true. It's saying about what's going on currently in the society, not just Jamaica alone, everywhere. As you can see, the video set America because we just see the American police car and thing. So be a juvenile when I start knocking. Basically, the man might walk around with some tall ups, some gun taller than them. The man might walk at one time, and the man of them thing. You see me? Obviously, it have an effect everywhere. So, what's a single thing?
Be a juvenile, wanna stop knocking. Police know they go on and can't stop it. Big matic them I walk with cars. Panic people see the road, they even bad on walk. Lone Madness, I make you feel like they are Iraq.
Lone Madness, make you feel like a war zone, Iraq a war zone. If you make you feel like a Iraq, you're there. War zone.
People see the road, they even bad on walk. Lone Madness, I make you feel like they are Iraq. Be a long gun up in a ground, sitting in a job. What's called for board, what's called for crap. Some guy on the earth and not come back.
This is a change from Alkaline. Alkaline is saying about what really are going, and hopefully this can help put a stop to it, especially what going on in Jamaica, where a man like Alkaline sing for them issues here. It's really important for artists sing about them things here, because them things are going, you see me?
What's called for board, what's called for crap. Some guy on the earth and not come back. And it turned back. Many cry in this bloody street. Souls lost in these bloody streets. Bloody streets. These bloody streets. Many come and go in these bloody streets. Dog them bad. Only place here them here Baghdad. And rich quick.
Dog them bad. Only place here them here Baghdad. So basically the gun them with the man on my boss or some war or some. I say war zone. I mean Call of Duty, you know, dog. I mean like the place is a war zone.
These bloody streets. Come and go in this place. Dog them bad. Only place here them here Baghdad. And rich quick murder and rob me many type of gun them up. If I go there and look some of the big attack, but tell them bro them someone not going to sack. See enough.
What you say? 5-4?
Dog them bad. Only place here them here Baghdad. And rich quick murder and rob me.
A rich quick murder or rob. So basically, man, them want rich quick and by any necessary, them have to do it. You see me?
But gun them up. If I go there and look some of the big attack, but tell them bro them someone not going to sack. See.
So them said the 5 of them there look for somebody for tag, but basically, man, must see out, tell the man, them say, oh, we not go outside, we're gonna knock it. We are going with the blast. Yeah.
Any type of gun them up, if I go there and look some of the figure tag, but tell the bro them someone not going sad.
Nope.
See enough get fling, you only pattern for and system every youth want to have things, broke and hungry that a sin. Situations overcome and we living. Enough time, no fight bring. Get so alarming, the rainfall, water the garden, while the bright shine in the morning.
Alkaline talented the fuck, like the man make this look so easy, and Alkaline been making songs look easy. Topics like these, topics look easy. Alkaline been making the whole music scene look easy, bro. Like, don't get it wrong, it's not easy, you know. But Alkaline just talented, bro. He's like talented, so him can do them thing, yeah.
Broke and hungry that a sin. Situations overcome and we living. Enough time, no fight bring. Get so alarming, the rainfall, water the garden, while the bright shine in the morning. Bird fly about, up in the tree, next side out. Some a chirp and a pick on the pollen. Plus sparkling, the rainfall and water the garden. Many years and I put them all in. Talk about name stain and the can't mark out. Some good soul touch and falling. Many times.
But I like this.
These bloody streets.
So message, yo.
Many souls lost in these bloody streets. Bloody streets. These bloody streets. Many come and go in these bloody streets.
Like this. Yo, me not telling a lie. Me like this. I like we say that like obviously Alkaline are general in the business right now. Alkaline space definitely in the business that not gonna away. But to see Alkaline I sing something like this, Vendetta fans, you should be proud of this. You should be proud of this. You should be proud of this. Yo, I think big up the producer upon that one. Yeah. The producer name did forward at the end of the video. Big him up. Bro, the video clean like Jesus Police record. Like, the video speaks what am I sing about, basically. You see me? Not no nice about it. You see Grim Reaper in the video, run up and down, you see Crow, you see him in one church, the place dark. Because alone madness are going for true. And for Alkaline I sing about something like this, bro. It's very touching to see. And you can tell say that one have a lot of emotion behind it, you see me? So quality music by the Vendetta boss. So Vendetta fans should be proud of our artists. My artist too, because I have been listening to Alkaline from Alkaline. They are school. You see me? So hit song. Definitely hit song. It definitely hit song. So once again, should be proud of it. More all of the Vendetta fans them representing in the comment section, bro, cause Alkaline not disappointing me. Alkaline never disappoint me. You see me? Yeah, man. Next masterpiece from the G. But anyway, this one I'm gonna leave the one here. I don't know what to do. I'm not telling you what to do. I don't know what to do already. You understand? Peace.